Hello guys, welcome to Autocad tutorial 1.1. Today we're going to learn three basic commands that we use in Autocad. The first command is line, and the shortcut is L. The second command is polyline, and the shortcut PL. And the third command is rectangle, and the shortcut is rec. We're going to do an exercise to draw a table surface that measures 2 meters length and 1 meter width. So we're going to use this area of AutoCAD to create our own table surface. Okay, so we start with the first command, line. To use this command, we have to ask AutoCAD with the command line. We can write it with our keyboard, or we can use the shortcut L and click enter on the keyboard. Then AutoCAD asks us to specify a first point of the line. So I do a click with my mouse, and then I can create the line in whichever direction I want. So in this case, I want to do it to the right and enter the distance of the table. I'm gonna click 2 meters, enter. Then I move the mouse and then enter the second measurement, 1, enter. Then the third distance, 2, enter. And to close the line, I can do a click with the mouse, or I can use the letter C, that means close line, C, enter. And there you have it. We have our first element, our first table surface made with our command line. In this case, this table surface or this shape is created by 4 separate lines. Okay, we move to the second command that is called polyline. The difference to this command from line to polyline is that we're going to make a shape with all the lines united. Okay, so we ask AutoCAD for the command PL for polyline, PL, enter, and we repeat the same process. We start with a first point, then move the mouse to the right and enter the distance that we want to use, 2, enter, and move the mouse to the downside, 1, enter, repeat the same process, 2, enter, and I can use the same close commands to close the polyline, C, enter. So we have the second table surface, and we can see the difference. If I do a click on the first drawing, I can pick my lines by separated. They are separated. In the second drawing that we use a polyline, all the elements is one shape. All the lines are joined. So we have our first two commands used, and now we're going to jump to the third command that is called rectangle. So to make a rectangle, we ask the AutoCAD to use this command, rec, enter, and in this case I only need to enter 2 distances. So I specify a first corner point, I move my mouse, and I enter the length and the width of the rectangle. I click 2, 1, enter. So now we have our rectangle. So it's a little faster creating a rectangle than creating our line or our polyline. And in this case, it's very similar to the polyline. The rectangle are 4 lines joined in the same element or a same shape. Okay guys, this is our tutorial for today. See you next time.